This is Irontrader. It is Thursday morning, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now remember, on natural gas, the EIA report will be out today at 10:30. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, what we got going here is yesterday we've had a topping tail that went right into that 100-day SMA. So what I said here is what we want to watch is this key level here. Okay, so you're looking at 78.44. That is going to be your upside target here. Now, yesterday you can see where we went through it. However, you could not hold it. And that's the key, is on the closing basis here. Okay, so that's what we're looking for here, is this 78.44 level here. And then what we can do is we can look to yesterday's high, which is, let's see here, 79.32. And then we start getting into the really strong resistance here. You have 79.35 here. You have 79.62. But what we're looking for here is like this 100 SMA here at 79.43 and that 200-day. We'll be sitting here at, let me see if I can get that in there. Close this down a little bit here. Yeah, we're looking right there. We're looking at that 79.74 level. And then we have that 50-day rate above it, sitting at 80.30, but you can see how it's rounding down now, okay? The price channel is going to be very, very key if it gets up in that area. So you have 80.62. That's the top of your channel. And then we have that 72.48. That's the bottom of it, and that's the range that we're trading here as of right now, okay? So on the downside, here, just a couple key levels here that we're really looking for. And this is that, one of them is that 21 simple moving average. This is that 77.46. Now, you can see here how on this day, it came down, went below it, but you notice that it closed above it. Yesterday, it closed above it. So let's just see what happens today. So this is what we're looking for. Support level is this 77.46. And then right below it here, we have this 200-day at 76.15, and obviously we have this 8-day, which is curling up very nice. Now, this is the 200-day is what we want to watch here on a closing basis here for the week. So by Friday, you got today and tomorrow. We really need to close above this 200-day. That would be very, very bullish here. Now, you can see your 8 SMA here is rolling up very, very nicely. If we can keep getting this to roll up and cross over that 21-day, then we can set the price up much higher. But right now, what we have is just like a sideways action. This is almost like a bull flag, except it's just not leaning downwards. So let's go see how this all going to shake out. Your RSI, well, that could go either way here. So you got plenty of room to run on the upside or on the down. But this is very bullish here. Your green is above your red. That shows good positive momentum there to the upside. Okay, so we're looking really good. So really for today on the upside, what we want to watch is this 8 SMA here. This is going to be very, very key. This is that 78.45. You're sitting at 77.85 right now. So if we get above that that level there, then we can start attacking that 79.43 and that 200-day, and maybe even that 50-day and that price channel. Now, if we can get above this price channel, that would be very, very bullish. Then we lose. We look to the top of this candle. You're looking at 81.57. We look to the bottom of that candle, 82.40. Then we look right to the top here, 83.30. And then we have 83.91. And then we have your 84.46. Bring that price channel right across. That is going to be your big targets right across here. That's your big target at that 85.64. And then we'll bring this price channel there, big target, that's at 86.18, and obviously your big retest here is 87.67. So we got to see how it all shakes out. But on the downside, just watch this 21-day. We really need to hold this on a closing basis. If that's lost, we have that 8-day right below it, and then we have this 200 SMA. So you have a lot of good support underneath and a lot of big resistance on top. So what we want to do is just trade this range until she either breaks to the upside or she breaks down to the downside. Okay, let's take a look here at natural gas. Okay, now here we have natural gas. Now, natural gas had a really good run, okay? So, I mean, it didn't have as good a run as this here so far. But again, it's early. But we had 1, 2, 3, 4. You had 5 good days of higher highs and higher lows. That's always very bullish. Yesterday, we had what they call an inside day, which is basically your high and low is the inside of the high and low of the previous day. Now, so far today, we have another inside day here. So we got to see this is going to be like a sideways action. So let's just take a look at the upside. So you want to look at today's high. That's that 3.091. We want to look to yesterday's high. That's at 3.13, and then we want to look at this breakout level at 3.159. If we can get above that, everything you need to know for resistance is sitting right here, okay? So the next level is 3.189, 3.23, 3.37, and then your big retest up there at 3.39. But you got to get and close above that price channel at that 3.159. Now, downside, well, we want to watch yesterday's low. That's always key. You're sitting at 2.995. And then we want to watch the bottom of this candle, looking at 2.96, which lines up very nice with the top of that candle. If that's lost, this is where you always look to the left, 2.92, and then we have your 8-day sitting right up below that at 2.91. But this is still very, very bullish. Bottom left, upper right, 8-day moving up, 21-day moving up, 50-day moving up. We just have some sideways consolidation is all we have going on here. So as long as this 8-day holds, okay, that's what you're looking for. As long as that holds, you're in really good shape. If not, say that's lost. Well, then we just come to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at that 2.86. We'll come to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 2.79. And then we come to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 2.72. And then we're going to be running right into that 21 SMA here. Okay, this is sitting about 2.73 level here. So, but again, as long as that 8 holds, you're very, very good shape. Then you have a nice good spread between the 8 and the 21 day, looking very bullish. So this is just sideways action, just consolidation. So today what you want to do is watch yesterday's high, low, and close. So that 3.13, there's your high, your low 2.99, and you close at 3.02. That's going to be your support and resistance levels. So we got to see how it all shakes out. But you want to watch that EIA report there at 10:30. It might just be a market mover here for Natty Cash. Now here on your RSI here, well, you got really good strength here, but we did have that negative divergence. See, we would put a high in here, okay? Okay, and then we had a high there. But we had an even higher high, but you had a lower high. See that negative divergence going on here? Now, that's not the end-all, be-all. It's just like I like to point that out here. So you want to use that relative strength index here to your advantage. Anything you can to give you that advantage here. But again, now we're going sideways, so this is showing really good strength, and you're hanging right around that 70 mark. Your MACD, your green is over your red, showing very, very bullish. So right now, it's just consolidation. Let's just see how it shakes out. But watch yesterday's low and then the previous day's low. And then realistically, this 8-day. As long as you hold the 8-day, you're good. You lose it, then you're going to have to start taking these candles down to that 21-day. If that's lost, you can take it all the way down here to this 200-day. And we come down here back into that trading box. Okay, right there like we had there. But again, upside, that 3.15, that's the breakout. And then here's all your resistance levels right here. Just this little area right here. Very, very nice. Now, obviously, if you say, oh, man, natural gas is taking off, well, then what you want to do is look right here. This is the gap, 3.407. There's your fill, 3.45, and then you can work yourself up here to that 3.64. But let's just see how this all shakes out here. Just be a little bit patient with it. Okay, let's take a look here on an hourly and a 4-hour chart. Okay, here we have your hourly chart. Now you can see here how nice you have that series of higher lows and higher highs going all the way up. And basically what you're doing is you're holding this level here, which is very, very good. Okay, see this? Just bring this candle right across. Boom. See how nice you're holding that? So we just have sideways action going on here. So there's really nothing here, say long or short. We just have to wait and see how it shakes out. So your bottom looking at that 2.99, and on top you're looking at that 3.12. If you break above that, then there's your target there. Very, very simple. If we lose this, well, then we just have to, come right down here to the next level here. So then you're looking at that 2.96 here. See, and you just bring it all the way on down here until you find a good support level here. But right now here, this is just sideways action, just consolidation. Okay, same way with your 4-hour chart. This was really some a nice, good bullish run here. And then what we had is a series that higher lows. That's always very bullish. And it came all the way down, and you're holding that 21-day. See how nice that works? See, when you lose that 8-day, the next one you want to do for a big support level is watch that 21-day. If that's lost, then you come down to the 50. But right now, we're holding this area right here, and then we just have the sideways action. Let's see how this is all going to shake out. If you can rally, there's your target. If not, you can come all the way down here to this 50 SMA. Okay. I'll be back here for midday trading, and we'll go more over a little bit more in depth on natural gas. We'll see what's going on with there. Watch that EIA report there at 10:30, and crude oil, and then we always throw something else in the old mix. Now, a couple of things on Tesla. Tesla's ripping up here today. Looks like Elon Musk is going to get his $56 billion pay raise, paycheck. So we got to see how that's all going to shake out. So you're in Tesla. Just I did a video on it yesterday, and the targets there where the price is going to go up or price is going to go down. All your targets are sitting right there for you. Okay, thanks for watching.